Have you ever wondered how CAD/CAM technology impacts the world of CNC machining? It's a question that's worth exploring, as CAD/CAM technology serves as the very backbone of modern CNC machining. Computer-aided design or CAD, and computer-aided manufacturing or CAM, are pivotal in today's manufacturing processes. They are the digital brains behind the scenes, transforming raw ideas into meticulously crafted designs, and then into tangible products. By bridging the gap between design and production, CAD/CAM technology simplifies and streamlines the manufacturing process. Imagine the precision of a surgeon's scalpel being replicated on a grand scale. That's the level of accuracy CAD/CAM brings to CNC machining. It allows for intricate designs to be executed with absolute precision and speed, enhancing efficiency and productivity. In essence, CAD/CAM technology is the silent maestro conducting the symphony of CNC machining, ensuring each part plays its note perfectly, right on cue. Without CAD/CAM, modern CNC machining as we know it would not exist. So you might be asking, what exactly is CAD/CAM? Well, let's break it down. CAD stands for Computer-Aided Design, and CAM is an acronym for Computer-Aided Manufacturing. Now, what do these really mean? In the realm of technology, CAD is the use of computers to assist in the creation of 2D or 3D designs. Think of it like a digital sketchpad for engineers, architects, and designers, a tool which allows them to draft, model, and visualize their ideas with precision and ease. On the other hand, CAM is all about using software to control machine tools during the manufacturing process. This means that once a design is ready in CAD, it can be directly fed into the CAM system, which interprets the design and instructs the machine tools on how to bring it to life. Together, CAD and CAM form a powerful duo, working in harmony to transform digital designs into tangible products. In essence, CAD/CAM is the backbone of CNC machining, driving its precision and efficiency. Now that we've defined CAD/CAM, how is it integrated into CNC machining? Let's start by picturing a scenario. You've used your CAD software to create a stunning, intricate design for a part that needs to be manufactured. It's complex, precise, and would be a nightmare to craft by hand. But with the power of CAD/CAM integration, this isn't a problem. Your CAD program has done its job, now it's time for CAM to take the stage. CAM software interprets the 3D model created in CAD. It uses algorithms to generate a set of instructions or code for the CNC machine to follow. This code is a specific language known as G-code, and it's like a step-by-step guide for the machine, telling it exactly where to move, how fast to go, and what path to follow. With the G-code ready, it's passed on to the CNC machine. This is where the magic happens. The CNC machine reads this code and gets to work, cutting, drilling, and shaping the material with absolute precision. It's a symphony of technology, where each movement is calculated and automated, transforming your digital design into a physical object. One of the most significant benefits of this integration is the reduction in human error. With all the precise movements being calculated by the software, there's less room for mistakes. And let's not forget about the speed. Traditional manual machining methods can't compete with the efficiency of a CNC machine guided by CAD/CAM software. This process is also repeatable. Once the code is generated, it can be used over and over again, producing identical parts with consistent quality. This is a game changer for industries like automotive and aerospace, where precision and consistency are paramount. But the real beauty of CAD/CAM integration is its flexibility. With this technology, designs can be altered digitally, and the changes are automatically translated into new instructions for the CNC machine. This means less downtime, less waste, and ultimately, more productivity. With CAD/CAM integration, CNC machines can produce complex and precise parts at an unprecedented speed. In these past few minutes, we've covered a lot of ground. We've delved into the world of CAD/CAM and its pivotal role in CNC machining. CAD, or computer-aided design, is the technology that allows us to create intricate and precise designs digitally. CAM, on the other hand, stands for Computer-Aided Manufacturing. It's the software that takes those designs and translates them into instructions that CNC machines can understand and execute. We've also discussed how these two technologies are integrated to form a seamless process. From the initial design phase right through to the production line, CAD and CAM work together to ensure precision, efficiency, and a high-quality end product. They have revolutionized the manufacturing industry, making complex and intricate designs possible, and production faster and more efficient. Remember, without CAD/CAM, the precision and efficiency we see in modern manufacturing would be impossible.